Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be spending time with my paternal grandmother. Yeah, my paternal grandmother. So I'm going to take you throughout the day. Right now, we're going to do food. Wait for her to arrive. In the meantime, please just subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification button to get all the feels and tune into my YouTube channel. If Busuka Kai Patia vlog Ndori because this is the end and you are a real one. You are a true follower. Not a follower, a fan, a lover, a bestie. You are Amanda. And we've come to the end of our vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, I didn't put much effort to it because I recently lost my iPhone 15 Pro Max latest. So they robbed me at gunpoint and I lost it. So I'm basically using my little sister's phone. But I think I delivered. If I got to Makunda, come and contact her. Did the plaga Namakunda. Namakruanga because net to be perfect currently. So in 3 hours Makunda mararu, and it took my grandmother less than 30 minutes with Makunda mam. So I had to do that perfect yet. So I will plug you with my grandmother. But thank you for tuning in till this point. So it's not kopelekeza makadziwanga, makruanga. Ndi makruanga muratu wa makruanga wa mmea khotsianga. Mbori ndi mwana wa khotsianga. Ha? Ndi makruanga muratu wa makruanga mwana wa baba. Ndi makruanga second born ya makulu kukwanga muratu wa makulu wanga mana wa khotsianga baba. Makes sense. It makes sense. Mara muratu wa makulu wanga mbeba khotsianga. So I think it make sense. But then makruanga, and I'm so grateful to have someone like her to pass down the knowledge and the skills. This and I'm so grateful. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. I'm not too blind to know all the pain you kept inside you, even though